Everybody's on the hunt for a garden hero these days. Well, look no further. Do I have the perfect plant for you? Meet Goldenrod, the unsung hero of the garden world. The surprising benefits of planting goldenrod in your yard. Goldenrod and I didn't start off on the right foot. I thought it was just another wildflower that made people sneeze. But after planting a few, my garden came alive with color and pollinators, and I realized it's more of a misunderstood hero. So if you're looking for a plant that's tough, beautiful, and great for the environment, goldenrod is it. Not convinced yet? In that case, here are a few more reasons why you should add this plant to your garden, and some tips on how to grow it. The misunderstood hero of the garden. Goldenrod is a powerhouse plant that does more than brighten up your yard. Its tall, golden blooms are like a giant neon sign for bees, butterflies, and even birds. I planted it one year, and by the next, my garden was alive with pollinators fluttering, buzzing, and feeding. This plant is also ridiculously easy to grow and thrives in places where other plants throw in the towel. Sandy or rocky or dry soil is no problem for this tough perennial. Tips for growing goldenrod. Successfully, goldenrod is the definition of low maintenance. Find a sunny spot in your garden, plant it in spring or fall, and give it a little water to get established. After that, it's pretty much set. Just make sure to put it toward the back of your garden beds because it can grow tall. Some varieties reach up to 5 feet. For smaller spaces, compact options like golden fleece or baby gold work beautifully. Goldenrod isn't just a pretty face in your garden. It's got the whole package. How goldenrod transforms your yard. When I first planted goldenrod, I was amazed at how quickly it brought life to my garden. Bees and butterflies flocked to the blooms, and later in the season, birds feasted on the seeds. It's the kind of plant that keeps giving back, providing food for pollinators through late summer and into fall, when most flowers are fading. I even noticed monarch butterflies stopping by on their migration journey. Talk about a showstopper. Plus, its strong roots help control erosion, making it perfect for slopes and banks. Got a bird feeder? Goldenrod's got you covered. Goldenrod seeds keep our feathered friends happy through fall and winter. It's like a bird buffet. Not to mention, it adds a burst of golden color to your garden. Instant sunshine. And here's a fun fact. Goldenrod has been used in herbal medicine for ages with anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties. Who knew it was a garden doctor too? It can even be used to dye fabrics a sunny yellow. Fashion statement, anyone? Goldenrod is super easy to grow. Even if you have a black thumb, goldenrod varieties that stand out. There's a goldenrod for every type of garden, and these are some of my favorites. Baby gold is perfect for small gardens with its neat height of 24 inches. Fireworks lives up to its name with dramatic sprays of bright yellow blooms. Golden fleece stays compact while still offering the classic goldenrod charm. Goldkind thrives in wetter areas and brings a soft glow to your yard. I planted fireworks last year and it really stole the show. The arching sprays of yellow flowers lit up the garden, and the butterflies couldn't get enough. It's proof that even a single plant can make a big impact. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought, and can handle various soil types. It's practically indestructible. Goldenrod isn't just a flower, it's a lifeline for pollinators, a burst of golden color, and a gardener's dream come true. Whether you have a big yard or a tiny corner to fill, there's a goldenrod variety that's perfect for you. And honestly, watching your garden buzz with life is the best reward. So if you're looking for a plant that's beautiful, easy to grow, and a magnet for wildlife, give goldenrod a try. Just don't blame it for your sneezes, it's already been through enough. Divide it in spring or fall to keep it in check. Because even heroes need a little maintenance. Plant some goldenrod today and watch your garden flourish. Your garden will thank you.